Good morning, good morning. Out walking little tank here. Sit, 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 sit. Good girl. Now shake. Good girl. Good girl. What we got planned for today? Huh? What you got planned for today? What we got planned for today, guys? It's Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Do you really got to kick all the dirt? Like, is that necessary? Are you done? Are you done? Come on. Kicking all the dirt on the sidewalk. You lost your mind? No, no. Come on. Like a little kid. You want to kick all the dirt. What do you see? Do you see something? The way you're moving, the way you're looking. What do you see? What do you want? I'm gonna finish walking this dog. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna get ready to go to work for a few hours. Get this double pay. Watch the spider jets fly around for a little bit. Because I'm so close to this base. You guys have a good Sunday.